Hi there, I'm Amy Hanton, the Cooking Mom, and I'm super excited about the new NESCO Upright Roaster. We love turkey in my house. You know what? My kids beg for turkey all year round. I love making turkey for turkey sandwiches. It doesn't just need to be a Thanksgiving thing. In this roaster, you can actually do up to an 18-pound turkey in 2 hours or less. I kid you not. This is a smaller turkey. It's done in less than an hour. I love to, season up the turkey really well. This happens to be a Cajun rub with a little bit of cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, and a lot of the seasonings you just have already in your house, a little oregano, a little thyme. It's really important to season up this turkey. Okay, once it's all seasoned up, you want to take this turkey and slide it right on top of the vertical roaster. Now it comes with a hook so that you can easily lift this right into the roaster and slide it right down. Now what I really love about this is it's super duper easy. This happens to be about a 10-pound turkey, so we just set it for 1 hour. In 1 hour, this turkey is done. So I want to talk for a minute about how this works. First of all, there's a center heating element, and then there are heating elements all the way around the bird. That center element roasts the turkey from the inside and shuts off halfway through, not to overcook the bird. Then the outside heating elements alternate, roasting that turkey till the skin gets nice and golden and brown and the turkey is perfectly juicy. NESCO is the original. They've been making these roasting ovens since 1932, and now they've taken things to a whole nother level. This upright roaster is revolutionary, whether you're roasting a turkey, chickens, amazing. Okay, everybody, it's time, and I can hardly wait for you to see this turkey. House smells amazing. Just use the hook to pull it right up. How gorgeous is this? And that first slice with that crispy skin, that piece is mine. I think this really would be an awesome appliance to have in your home. It can be your key ingredient to making turkey and roasting chickens and even pork in no time flat. If you're interested in this product or any of the other wonderful NESCO products, just go to nesco.com.